As a young content creator coming up like me, one of the most important gears I would like you to want to have is a mic, because your audience will want to have a clear understanding of what you're saying. And I understand that the mics that are available in the market are quite premium and expensive. That's why I would like to recommend you the F15 wireless microphone. It comes in two pairs with a Type-C adapter, and you can also use an OTG, and it also has three modes, and that is the overall sound mode that captures every sound from its background, and then the noise cancellation mode, and also the echo mode. And maybe you want to ask, is it compatible with my phone? Yes, and that is if you use an external app camera like the Open Camera app on Play Store. I bought mine about 23,000, but now it costs about 13,760 naira on Temu. So you can see it is way more cheaper right now. So if you find this video helpful, follow for more reviews like this and then tech tips, because I'm always up to date. See you on the next one. Peace.